Yeah, here we are down at Kiama. It's Mother's Day today, Mothering Sunday. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Such a really nice view. Yeah. So you got so you got the trains coming into Kiama. You got the newish main road. Bypass, Kiama bypass type thing. Looks really good. Yeah, they've organised it really so much better than the old road. I haven't been down here for a while. It's a really, really nice spot. Yeah, you got nice chunky headland out there too. Amazing. Rock formations and everything. Look.